Have you ever thought, I want to give, but I barely have enough for myself? You're not alone. Whether it's tithing, donating to charity, or just supporting causes you care about, making room for generosity in your budget can feel impossible, especially if every dollar is already accounted for. But here's the thing, giving isn't just about money. It's about mindset and intentionality. In this video, we'll show you how to fit giving into your financial plan, no matter how tight your income is. Integrating giving into your financial plan can bring clarity and even improve your overall financial discipline. Welcome to Turbo Finance, your guide to finance. Today, we're exploring a heartfelt topic that resonates deeply with many: how to effectively include giving or tithing in your budget, even if you're living paycheck to paycheck. Let's get into it. Step 1. Start with your mindset. First, understand that giving isn't just a financial act. It's deeply connected to your values and beliefs. If tithing or charitable giving is important to you, prioritizing it helps align your budget with your heart. Step 2. Identify your income. Grab your budget notebook or app and clearly list all your income sources. Even on a tight income, clear visibility is key. Step 3. Treat giving as an essential. Just like rent, groceries, or utilities, categorize your giving or tithing as a non-negotiable expense. Even if the amount is small, consistency is key. Step 4. Determine how much to give. Traditionally, tithing is about 10% of your income. But remember, flexibility matters. If you're on a tight budget, start smaller, perhaps 1% or 2%, and gradually increase it as your financial situation improves. Step 5. Automate your giving. Set up automatic transfers or recurring donations. Automation ensures you stick to your commitment without having to make the tough decision every month. Step 6. Adjust non-essential spending. Look closely at non-essential categories like entertainment or dining out. By trimming down these expenses even slightly, you can comfortably accommodate your giving goals without sacrificing essentials. Step 7. Leverage side income or unexpected money. Got a small bonus, birthday cash, or money from a side gig? Consider directing a portion of these unexpected funds towards your giving budget. Step 8. Regularly review and adjust. Your financial situation changes, and so can your giving. Regularly review your budget to make adjustments. If you find you have a bit more breathing room, consider increasing your contribution. Benefits beyond budgeting. Interestingly, incorporating giving into your budget not only aids those in need, but also fosters greater personal financial responsibility and satisfaction. Giving on a tight income doesn't have to cause financial strain. Instead, it can strengthen your budget discipline and bring immense personal fulfillment. Start small, remain consistent, and adjust over time. Thanks for tuning in to Turbo Finance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. What budgeting strategies have you used to make giving easier?